Okay guys, I want to show you right quick. The lighting is a little weird, but kind of works good. You see the gaps there on each side of that motor mount? Inside, this is a cheap motor mount. Anchor makes it. It's an American made, but I think this is like $6 on Rock Auto. Okay, there's daylight on both sides of this motor mount. What we're going to do is fill that in with this window weld. Okay, this is a polyurethane. They actually use this here to glue your windshields onto your newer vehicles. They'll run it around your windshield seam, stick a couple pieces of tape up top so the windshield doesn't slide or misalign. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill this in. Now I can't get you real close because I've got the camera set up here, but I'll show you what we're doing. This stuff loads up in a regular caulking gun, and you're just going to take and start filling in all these little spots. The void in here, you want to fill this void up. This stuff doesn't seal hard as a rock. It's pretty close though. It's going to give you a little bit of extra rubber per se in there to help hold that motor mount steady. A little extra support for the rubber that's in there from the manufacturer. You're just going to take and fill in that void. I did one tube of this. Worked for both motor mounts before on my K5, doing the LS K5. I did the motor mounts like this. This is a cheap polyurethane upgrade without having to spend the actual money for the polyurethane motor mounts. Okay, I know you guys are probably paying electric bills for your house and taking care of business. You don't have a whole lot of money to go spend $100 and something on polyurethane motor mounts. This is your trick, guys, right here, that's going to save you the money and give you the strength that you're needing. I've got a stock 350 in that yellow truck, and those motor mounts failed. So before I put new ones back in, I'm going to go ahead and do this trick, see if I can get some life out of it for once, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I got both motor mounts done. Hold it over there so you can see it in the light. There is no void in there anymore except for the hole that the bolt goes through. Try to get this up here kind of close, see if you can see it. You're just going to fill that void in, guys. You want to run it out flush to the rubber that's in there now. It's okay if you gob it up a little bit or pile it up. Try not to get this stuff on your hands, on your clothes, on anything that you care about, because it will not come off. It's on there. You don't want to set these down like this when you're letting them cure. Set them somewhere on some cardboard or something, set them flat, let them cure out. One tube did both motor mounts. Kind of hard to tell. Let me see if I can get over here and block some of that light. You can kind of see what's going on there, what we did. You're just filling that void with that polyurethane. Alright guys, so there you go. A couple of polyurethane hybrid motor mounts. They're not 100% polyurethane because they do have the rubber inserts from the factory. But this is a way to add something to what you're doing. You add a little bit of polyurethane to that. You give those a little extra strength, a little more cushion to do the job like they're supposed to. Guys, when you're buying these parts for these older trucks, a lot of them are cheap made. Quick urethane, polyurethane upgrade. Do this, guys. The stuff, the window weld here, 08609. Get the 3M brand. Amazon, I think, had it for $23 a tube. One tube does both motor mounts. Okay, Pack that stuff in there, set it down on some cardboard just like this, let it cure, and I'd say probably a day of cure time. Stick them on there and go. I'm going to end up painting mine just to do that little extra, but they'll be ready to go. Before I go, special shout out to United by Trucks. Thanks, man, for giving me a shout out. I really appreciate people out there sharing this knowledge, sharing, you know, somebody else what they're doing. When you're daily driving one of these trucks, guys, you got to work on them. You got something that's going to happen that's going to hinder progress with whatever else you're doing in your life. So thanks, guys, for watching. If you like the knowledge, if you like the videos, if you like my channel, share it. Get the knowledge out there. Let people know that, hey, there's an easier way, there's a different way, there's a better way, there's this guy's way of how to do this stuff. So spread the word. Thanks for watching.